Today, I'll show you how to set up a simple CRM for your freelance work in just a few minutes. It's easier than you think, and by the end of this quick tutorial, you'll have a streamlined system to keep track of clients, leads, and projects, all in one place. You've probably tried different tools and methods to stay organized. Maybe you've juggled spreadsheets, sticky notes, or a mix of apps that don't quite work together. The good news is there's a more efficient way. The software we'll be using is simple to set up, intuitive, and perfect for freelancers. It's specifically designed to help you stay on top of follow-ups, track client progress, and manage your workload with minimal hassle. First, head over to the link in the description to start your exclusive free trial. Once you're signed up, log in and you'll be greeted by a clean, user-friendly interface. Start by creating a new project or deal. This will serve as a central hub for your client information. Add the client's name, contact details, and any notes about what they need. You can also set a deadline and even assign tasks or reminders, so you never lose track of the next steps. Next, you'll want to take advantage of the built-in pipeline feature. This lets you see where each client stands, whether they're a fresh lead in the middle of negotiations or ready for final delivery. It's a visual way to stay organized and ensure nothing slips through the cracks. The software also makes follow-ups seamless. Set reminders for when to check in with clients, follow up on proposals, or deliver final invoices. With these automated prompts, you'll maintain a professional image and build stronger relationships over time. Before you know it, you'll have a fully functioning CRM tailored to your freelance needs. The key takeaway? A well-organized CRM is your foundation for efficient freelance work. By keeping all your client data, tasks, and deadlines in one place, you'll save time, reduce stress, and have more energy to focus on what you do best. Now that you've got the basics down, take advantage of that free trial link in the description. It's an exclusive offer just for viewers of my channel, and it's the best way to try out the software we've used here today.